My GiveBest space heater just came in that I'm going to look forward to having in the garage for the garage gym this summer. It just came in, and noticing as soon as you plug it in, you got the red light letting you know it's plugged in. Pretty happy with this so far. The power comes like all the way turned up, so I'll turn it on with it turned down. I started off on fan. So it's on fan, blowing nice cool air, room temperature air here, and I can slowly turn it up. Notice once it gets about a third of the way, it really kicks up, and it just gets more and more after that. So I'll turn it on to the first level. I'll let you know when it starts getting hot. And it's starting to get hot right now. So then again, seems to be getting hotter and hotter. Next. Getting higher. Now it's super hot. And I don't want to put my fingers there. So another cool feature is if you tip it over, it's got this emergency shut off thingy where it just immediately shuts off if it tips over. So that's pretty cool. And then level again and it starts going again.